Hi you guys, welcome back. This is Krisha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk everything about vision boards, giving you all an update on my 2024 vision board and making one for 2025 as well. Okay, I am 5 days late, but I was traveling and I have just come home yesterday. So I thought I'll make it with y'all today. And I also thought of discussing my 24 vision board as well and like show you what came true or what did not come true and just discuss a little bit here and there. This is my first video of 2025. I was super excited to start with this video. I don't know how it will turn out, but let's get started. Okay, firstly, let's talk about my 2024 vision board, which is this right here. Before this, I never made a vision board for myself. 24 was my first time where I actually made a board by getting influenced by my friends because they thought that it actually comes to life. And I think until 23 I never believed in manifestations as well until I made a board for 24, and I am kind of surprised to say that it actually works. I mean, not obviously all of it has come true, but there are some things that happened and I'm quite surprised. So I thought, why not make one for 2025 as well? So first I'll be decoding my 24 vision board. The first picture which I had to include in my board was the mountains one. It's almost 2 years since I got this tattooed here, which says explore with a mountain. Reason why I have a mountain there is because I am a beach person. I am a fully water baby, but I have never experienced mountains, like snowy mountains, at least in India. The one thing I wanted to visit since the past 2 years was mountains, and I couldn't plan for so I put it on my board, and I thought by the end of the year, I thought, okay, this is not happening this year as well. But I planned a New Year's trip to the mountains. I went to Manali, Kasol for my New Year's, and it was the best trip of my life. It was so beautiful. I went in a very busy season. If I would have gone off season, I would have maybe gotten a little better views, but nevertheless, I loved it. One freaking thing that has been on my bucket list since 2 years is ticked now. It was just beautiful. Like, my heart was happy. Okay, the next image is this of me starting vlogging in 2024. And guess what? Here I am vlogging very religiously. This is my definition of consistency because I am trying my level best to put out videos and vlogs and whatever I like on YouTube, and trying my level best to not be too awkward and be a little confident every video, so that by the end of, I think, Jan 25, I'd have confidence to like talk properly, to shoot in public, to not be weirded out, to not feel awkward. I enjoy it. I love documenting, I love editing, love posting it out. I don't do it for the viewers, I do it for myself because I think I want something for me to look back and to see how great memories have been created. Yup, that is vlogging. I have started and I will be continuing to vlog in 25 as well. The next picture is a picture of a flight, which meant that I want to travel in 2024. Kind of didn't happen a lot because for me, I hardly traveled in 24, but I technically took a flight to Jaipur where I went to celebrate my mom's 50th birthday. So technically this picture kind of happened, but the whole idea behind the picture was something else which did not happen. So it is okay. I mean, I'll do it in 25 now. So the next picture is the piercings that I want to get. Like, this is my proper vision of what I want as my piercings, and I got 2 piercings this year. Obviously, I'm going slow and steady. I got these 2 piercings on both of my ears, And obviously I don't want to fill the whole year in the entire year. Like, I want to go slow and steady, and I got these towards the end of the year, so I kind of wanted them to like heal properly and then get the other one done. But hey, I mean, I did get, so technically I am getting close and close towards the vision that I have in my head and on my board as well. Okay, the next picture says I wanted to read more in 2024. I kind of did read a couple of books in 24, but they were not enough because I was studying, so I did not have time to read novels. But I did read a couple of books technically, but I still want to get to the habit of reading one book a month at least in 25. So I think this vision is going to get carried forward to 25, and I'm going to read more, like targeting one book a month. So that's what my target is going to be. But I did start reading and I enjoy it now. Okay, next picture was to start skincare, self-care, and start creating content around skincare and self-care. And guess what? I started creating content about beauty, skincare, and all of that on my Instagram. I was contemplating whether to start posting beauty content on my account because I was skeptical. Like, I was not really confident before in front of the camera, but since I was working at a skincare company, I got the hang of it, and then I really enjoyed using products and reviewing them and sharing my opinions about the same. So I thought, why not shoot it, and maybe why not post it online? But yes, I wanted to do that in 24. I also wanted to like start investing in good skincare for myself, like investing in good skincare products, beauty products as well. So that also I have done, and this also has happened in 24, and I'm happy, and it's going to continue in 25 as well. The next picture I put is Anuv Jain's. It's actually a very funny story behind me putting Anuv Jain's picture. So basically, in 2023 and the beginning of 24, I was attending each and every concert that happened. Like, it was my peak time attending concerts because I love it. I love being at it, and plus, it was just like the best time where each and every concert was happening every other weekend, and I was there at it. But when Anuv announced his tour in Mumbai, in India, and he was doing a show in Mumbai in Jan 24, I could not attend his one concert. I didn't get his tickets. Everything was sold out, and we couldn't get tickets, like me and my friend. And the day that concert happened, and everyone was posting stories about it the next day, me and my friend were literally crying in office. Like, we were at work and we were literally crying of how we couldn't. And we felt that how it feels for others to watch our stories and feel FOMO, because we used to go to each and every concert, like name it up, we've been. So we just made a pact that one artist that we both will put on our vision boards would be Anuv Jain. And हमने डाल दिया, like blindly डाल दिया. But little did I know that I was going to study in 24, and I don't think I'd be able to attend all concerts in 24 because I had exams when it's the concert season, which is like from November to Feb. Months were going by and Anuv did not announce his any of his shows like in December. So I thought that, you know what, this year I don't think Anuv's happening. And then later, I don't know, in August or something, he announced one show in December, and my friend sends it to me and says that, hey, Anuv's performing. And guess what? When he was performing on my birthday, 20 December, he was performing in Mumbai at this festival. And I was like, what are the odds? What were the odds? I was so happy. I booked tickets. I went for the show. I experienced Anuv Jain. Finally, I want to believe that just because he was on my vision board, and maybe it was meant to happen, destiny mein wo cheez likhi thi. So I got to attend his concert in 24 on my birthday. And I think that was the best, the most beautiful moment I could ever imagine, because that day was beautiful. I attended Anuv, Lucky Ali, DJ Chetas. They were beautiful. The next picture is me having a best time on the beach with my friends. And yes, that also happened. Me and my friends, we went to Alibag in March, and we kind of recreated the same picture that was on my board, and it was the most beautiful getaway. It was a very chill getaway that we wanted, because we were all so worked up with like office, work, stuff, stress and everything. So we just wanted to take that getaway, and even that getaway was so random and impromptu. Like within like 2 days I have made all the bookings, we've gone out, and we've just like for 2 days we were at Alibag and we just came back. There's one more picture that I put, like this one, which is to eat fruits, because I am that person who does not like eating fruits. I am more of a juice person. Like if you give me to eat a pineapple, I won't eat it, but if you give me as a form of juice, I'll drink it like this. So it's just a thing that I don't like eating fruits, and I usually don't do that, but I kind of put it on my board because I think that I should do it. And if I put it here, I think I'll consciously make enough effort to do it. I did kind of eat more fruits than I usually do in 24, but not enough for my body, because the amount of fruit that I still consume is very less. I will be very honest about this कि मैं इतना नहीं खाती, मुझे और ज़्यादा खाना चाहिए. These are some of the pictures that I have inserted here that did not kind of come to life in 24, and one of them was to surf. Like I really wanted to surf in 24, and I was this close to do it. Like I had full plans of it, but वो नहीं हुआ, and I kind of was a little disappointed, but I was like, okay, you know what, never mind, I'll do it in 25. I'll put it in my 25 vision board, and I will make sure that this happens in 25. I also want to put this out that not everything comes true. And I also didn't put out of the box things कि वो चीज़ें कभी होने ही नहीं वाली, but फिर just because मैंने इस पे डाल रखी है तो वो चीज़ हो गई. मैं इतने बड़े ड्रीम्स अभी तो देखती हूँ नहीं. I want, this is more of like a to-do list. So not everything that you put on your board comes to life, but it's not like you shouldn't put it on your board. It's good to have vision, it's good to have dreams, it's good to have a clarity of what you want. That was it for my 24 board. Now, coming to my 25 board, I have all my pictures printed out, and I think I'm just gonna make it with y'all. I am not going to reveal all the pictures that I have, but I'll give you like a gist of how I have divided my board into. So I think I have 2 to 3 categories. One is travel, one is health, and one is like goals or maybe like needs or wants. Let me know in the comment section if you guys believe in vision boards, because I technically did not believe until I made one last year and it actually worked, or maybe it was written in my destiny, but I don't know, it did work. So I think it's a good idea to make one, and it looks good also as a piece of decor in my room, so why not? I have placed all the pictures, and I still have more pictures that I can adjust, but I don't have space. I really want to put them, but I don't know where to put them, and I just have like, I feel like I have that fear of missing out कि shit, ये सब चीज़ें नहीं हुई तो क्या होगा? And because they are also like good pictures, and they're like really good pictures. Like one of them which I really want to put is this, like this one. I want to take a trip with my friends, an international trip with my friends, but जगह नहीं है, कहाँ डालूँ? So मैंने अपना ऐसा दिमाग लगाया, and since I've put Bali, that I want to go to Bali, and obviously I'm not going to go to Bali alone. I am going to go with my friends. तो मैंने वो एक फोटो लगा दिया तो ये दोनों आ जाता है. Concerts, I want to do more concerts this year, but I have Coldplay on my vision board. So technically, that should assume that I also want to do a lot of other concerts as well. Alright, my vision board is complete. I have put everything, all pictures over here, and it's ready to be hung on my wall. I absolutely love how it looks. I don't have a specific color theme, but I do have all my categories. I have tried to accommodate each and every picture that I wanted to put, and it's turned out to be beautiful, better looking than last year. And I hope everything that's on the vision board, at least not everything, but a part of it, comes to life in 2025. I wish, because 24 was not the best year for me, so I want 25 to be the best year for me. Not the best, but yes, the best, like better than 24 at least. So yeah, that is it for my video. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. This is like one kind of video which is like really different. It's not something that I would usually do because I'm not very aesthetic. I'm not a lifestyle vlogger. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you haven't made a vision board for yourself, please, it's not too late. You can still make a board for yourself for this year. I swear to God, I never believed in it until I made it last year. So please give it a try. And please, please, please make sure to put everything according to your goals and visions. I will see you all next time. Bye.